Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video we talked about project parameter. Okay, this project parameter. So in this video we will talk about share parameter. First we have to understand what is the difference between project parameter and share parameter. Share parameter meaning you can call anywhere this parameter. Any project or even new project also you can call this parameter. Okay, that means you can assign this parameter. Also the project parameter it cannot, because the project only the particular projects only. So you know this, if you are a Revit modeler or BIM modeler, you know already there is too many elements like not elements like annotation, tags, and yeah, some elements also. It's coming from outside, like we import family and we will put into the object, we put it into the project. So if we need a parameter inside the family, we cannot call that one through the project parameters, meaning family is a different file. Example, this is a wall. So this wall we made in previous video naming contractor AAA, contractor parameter, and we assign AAA. So I need to make a tag. Okay, so let's go TG. If I make a tag like this, it's showing questions mark. So here, let's say I want to add a contractor. Let's escape this one. Let's say I need to add contractor. So this click edit family. So this one is a label. So when you click this one, edit label. So this is type mark. So actually if you went to the architectural code, you can mention the wall type. So maybe in the drawing itself, so if you select the wall, so there is something called type mark here. Okay, maybe this one mark. No, it's mentioned type mark, maybe inside edit type. Yeah, this one type mark. So let's put 001. Okay, so it's coming 001, but I don't need this one. I need the contractor name should be here. So let's go edit family. So this is a parameter called type mark. This is general parameter which is having already in the family and the project, but the contractor is the parameter I created. So I need to have a contractor parameter here. So if you go here, you will not find any parameter called contractor. So here we don't have any contractor parameter. So how we will get it here and how we will assign there? This is the task. Now first thing we have to see, please focus on this one because this is very important. Now I already filled the wall through the project parameter called contractor AAA. Now I have to create another parameter because I need to put it in the tag. So this is not coming there, so I should create a share parameter. So let's go to the manage share parameter. So here I will go to the new. This is parameter new, but this is new group. Let's go for the new group. Let's say contractor. Also we will put contractor. This is not going to affect anything, just it's a group. Okay. So before that one you have to know something. What? Let's delete this group. Okay, and delete this group also. This what is okay, it's not deleting. Anyhow, you have to create one file. Just create. Do you want to save it? The current save it. I don't need to save. So you have to create some name, like we will say Okay, we will say A, B, C, D. Okay, this file has to be saved first. If you don't have any parameter file, if you not use from the beginning, if you are new, just save to one ABCD or any name you like, save. So this ABCD created, now it's nothing there, empty. Now I will go to the new. So better it's coming from the zero, so contractor. If you have already share parameter file, you can go with that one. If you don't have like this, you have to create one. Okay. So let's make okay. Now I will go to the new parameter. So here I am typing contractor. Okay. Uh, let's say name, because I have already one name contractor in the project parameter. So command, let's go for the text. Okay. Okay. Now I created a share parameter only, but I didn't assign this share parameter anywhere. Okay. So here if I click this one, you will not see any contractor name. So how I will assign? Okay, that time you have to go to the project parameter again, add. So here you see share parameter. In my previous video I explained this one little bit, but here I will select share parameter, select. So you see this contractor name coming. Okay. So here I will go again wall. Okay. Okay. Now again okay. So this share parameter and project parameter working together. Okay. Now if I go here, sorry, I have to select this one, wall. Now I will have two, one contractor AAA, one contractor name. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to copy this value to here. So I have wall schedule previously I created. Please check my previous video, otherwise you will not understand anything. Just go to edit, sorting group, and remove this total and total and make itemize. So press O. Again go to the field. Now go to this one and you see here share parameter. You can call anywhere the share parameter. Select contractor name. Okay. Now press OK and OK. So you will see the contractor name, the new field. So this one you can select like this and go to here, and here you can easily select, click here or type here AAA. Okay, caps lock. So what will happen, automatically it will fill here. So here I will select this all and go to this one, same repeat, BB, and here and select this all, go to here, CC. So if you have 1000 values like this, how you will do? It's very difficult, right? Maybe 100,000, something like that. Let's consider like that. If you have 100,000 value, how you will copy? There's a video I put in the Dynamo how to copy one parameter value to another parameter. You can check in my video. You just go to my channel, check in the playlist, you will find that one. So very easy to copy, but I don't want to discuss this one here. So you can check that video. So now the wall is here, the contractor name is here already, I have the value. Now in the tag, go to the tag, edit family. Okay. Now click this one, edit label. Here also you don't have this contractor name, so you have to go to the new, select share parameter. See, you can call here also. Okay. Okay. Now edit this one. If you know, we need keep this one. If you don't need, leave it. And I will make break. Okay. Just load and close. I don't want to save. override the existing value and parameter, so you will see AAA. Without share parameter you cannot do this one. Okay, I hope you understand very well. Okay, so the parameter value is very important. So this is one kind of advantage using share parameter. So there's another problem I face in when I am working. So let's go to the view sheet. So it's very important, this one, focus on this one, very important, because always you will use this one. So I will put A1 metric, okay, leave it. So here you will see this is a sheet, this is the owner, project name, unnamed, this is project, too many parameters, values are here, parameters. This one already default parameter. If you go inside the family, you will find same. Here also you will find same. Meaning here you will not get any problem to type. Example, this project name, I think text. This one project number. You can type anything you want. But I need another parameter, my own parameter. Let's say system design. Let's put system design. If I go to the project parameter, like manage, if I go to the project parameter, sorry, first you cannot add directly here, you have to go to the family editing. So here click this one, edit family, okay. So you will be here. So this all parameter values are coming from label, okay. This all called label, say it's label. Okay, now I want to add something. No, don't add text. So if you want to make some input value, you want to input some value, you have to go with the label. So create label. So I will click somewhere here. So I need a value, what I called system design. Okay, system design. So here you will not find this system design because this is your own parameter name. So you go new. So here you will select, still we are going with the share parameter, edit. So new, let's say system design. Now I am working in the reverse. Before I created in the model project, then after that I created inside the label family. Now I am creating in the family first, okay. So here you have to focus this one here, created text, okay. Now okay, now I am adding this one, system design, okay. Okay, now I am adding here, okay, okay, now it's here. So let's make little bigger so I can type very nice. Let's place somewhere here, okay. Now I am going to load. I don't want to save, just no, but still it will load or existing. So when you click here, you will see a question mark here, but if you click this one, you will see question mark, but you cannot type anything. Even you click here, nothing is happening. Why? Because the parameter I added inside the title, this is the title family, but this project, what I am working the project, this project don't know what is this, because this is new to him, that's why it's coming a question mark, okay. So I have to introduce him. So where I have to introduce, okay, now this time I have to go to the manage project parameter, okay, add. So I will call share parameter, which I add inside the family, select system design, okay. Now this one I have to select where it will work. It will work in the view or it will work in the sheet. So it will work in the sheet because this is title block, it's a sheet. I press OK, then OK. Now you will click this one. Okay, now you see if you click this one, it's coming. Now you can type whatever you want. Okay, I hope. So like this, many place, many area, we can use this share parameter to make our work easier. Either you can use, either in the filter also you can use. If you go double B filter, if you go add, edit new, so here new, yeah, name it anything like GG or something. Okay, so here I will go to the wall, but here it will come. Why? Say contractor name, because already I assign in the project parameter. So this is even share parameter, it is showing here. So share parameter I added through the project parameter. So like this you can do many things. Okay, it's depend on your idea how you are going to use. So share parameter very helpful. Where this manage this share parameter very helpful. So I told you share parameter you can go anywhere. So let's close this project. I don't want to now just close, no. So now I am taking a new project and let's take anything, architecture or electrical, whatever you want. For now I am taking the architecture. Okay, so if I go to the manage, manage, project parameter, add, share parameter, if you go select, see it's there, you can call here also, and also you can share this file also if you want. How? So just go to the share parameter and you just make browse, copy this text and you can give it to them, so they can open and they can use this parameter. And I believe you understand very well. So in next video I will explain more about parameters and some techniques how to use. So if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. So in the next video I will explain about the global parameters, and I will try to explain you how to use this parameter with some techniques. So until next video, take care, bye, assalamu alaikum.